Welcome to Bikes Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth insights into the latest motorcycles hitting the streets. Today, we're taking a closer look at a true American icon, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy. Known for its bold styling and muscular presence, the Fat Boy returns in 2025 with subtle refinements, upgraded features, and the same unmistakable attitude that made it a legend. Let's dive into what makes this bike a standout in Harley's Softail lineup. Design and styling. Timeless meets modern. The 2025 Fat Boy continues to embody its classic heritage while incorporating modern design elements. The bike retains its signature solid disc Lakester wheels, wide front forks, and chunky tires that give it a low, aggressive stance. New for this year is a refreshed chrome finish that adds a sleeker, more premium look. Harley has also introduced a few updated color options, giving riders more personalization while keeping the timeless appeal intact. Every inch of the Fat Boy screams power and presence, whether it's parked or rolling down the boulevard. Performance and engine. Milwaukee muscle. At the heart of the 2025 Fat Boy is the Milwaukee-Eight 114V twin engine, delivering strong torque and a smooth, responsive ride. With 119 feet-lb of torque at just 3,000 RPM, the Fat Boy offers powerful acceleration and effortless cruising. The engine is now tuned for better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency. Whether you're tearing through city streets or cruising the open highway, the Fat Boy's performance feels balanced, controlled, and undeniably thrilling. The signature Harley exhaust note still roars with authority, ensuring you're heard before you're seen. Ride quality and comfort. Built for the road, Harley has refined the Softail frame to enhance rigidity and handling without sacrificing comfort. The 2025 model features a high-performance front suspension and easily adjustable rear monoshock, providing a smoother ride over varying road surfaces. The low seat height and wide handlebars offer a commanding yet relaxed riding posture, perfect for long-distance cruising or short city rides. Riders will appreciate the solid feel and stability, especially at higher speeds or through winding roads. Technology and features. Subtle upgrades. While the Fat Boy is all about classic muscle and presence, Harley has made sure to equip it with modern conveniences. The 2025 model includes full LED lighting, keyless ignition, USB charging, and a digital analog combo instrument cluster. Though it stays minimal on tech compared to touring models, the Fat Boy doesn't lack essentials. Optional upgrades like Bluetooth connectivity and Harley's Reflex Defensive Rider Systems (RDRS) bring added safety and functionality for those looking to enhance their ride. Final thoughts. Icon reborn. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Fat Boy doesn't try to reinvent the wheel, it simply polishes an already iconic motorcycle. It's bold, powerful, and unmistakably Harley. With refined mechanics, improved ride dynamics, and timeless styling, it's a perfect blend of tradition and innovation. For riders who crave raw power with a touch of elegance, the Fat Boy remains a top-tier cruiser that commands respect on every road. Thanks for tuning into Bikes Reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest motorcycle reviews.